Hello and welcome to another update video about Chainlink. Link is broken above the green line, which definitely opens the door to a direct breakout to the upside, but it is so far only a 3-wave rally. Link needs to form a 5-wave structure to the upside to indicate that this here is not a 4th wave corrective bounce, which is just extremely high. But if we're dealing with a diagonal pattern to the downside in this correction, then this could just be a large 4th wave. So I will tell you, so first of all, the break above the green line is not a confirmation we're breaking out. Well, locally, yes, but it is definitely something that now opens the door for this interpretation, as shown in yellow. But we need to get all these 5 waves filled in by the chart to confirm we are not dealing with an internal 4th wave bounce, okay? So what could happen easily is that this is just a corrective bounce and we're breaking down for one more low. Isn't it a bit high for a 4th wave? Absolutely. That's why we said, we are watching for higher now, but it's not full confirmation. It's definitely too high for a 4th wave, okay? But not too, it doesn't invalidate the idea of a 4th wave. It simply indicates it could be more than a 4th wave, like, for example, a breakout, okay? But to confirm the breakout, we need more information. What do we need? I want to see 5 waves. Okay, sometimes we don't get these 5 waves in a very clear pattern. Sometimes it extends directly. But minimally then, as a next level of confirmation, it always depends on how much confirmation do you need as a trader. I mean, from a yellow scenario point of view, it's clear. The breakout is underway as long as the market holds above the wave 2 low. This would be important. I mean, I would already say if it breaks below this last swing low here, I mean, you can use that maybe as a key level to focus on higher in the short term. As long as we're holding above $23.40, it seems like the upside momentum seems to be intact. It seems to me that this is some kind of a diagonal structure which is unfolding, in which we're now working on an ABC structure to the upside in an internal 3rd wave, like that. And we can also, based on that, define the parameters. So what do we need to see next? We need to see the price reach the 138% extension next. We might already nearly be there. And as I expressed before, Link is one of the better looking altcoin charts. So quite glad it finally starts to move a little bit. Minimally 2576 next. Okay, and then we can talk about 4th wave support in yellow. And then we can define a target for the potential 5th wave to the upside. Wave 1, wave 2, wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. This is what needs to fill in next. So it just gives us some parameters. I mean, 2576 to 2637. This would be the next kind of smaller time frame target range. These are the parameters, yeah, that need to be reached to be really called a viable and, let's say, valid and viable 3rd wave. I wanted to reach the $25.76 level. That is important. When we get there, I can define Fibonacci support for yellow wave 4, above which it should then stay at all times. Now, at the moment, main level here, the main level against which we could focus on higher is at $23.40, but there's a high likelihood that it could still break because this is only a 3-wave move up. You could say, okay, it's a bit high for a 4th wave. Yeah, but we need some kind of a bearish alternative anyway. And we're now in the process where the white count gets less likely, but yellow isn't confirmed yet. So a little bit in no man's land. But either way, what is really important is that the market doesn't break below the orange support area. So whenever we're looking at a bullish structure like that, then it is important that the bulls turn up before the price breaks below the 78.6 retracement. In this case, $19.24. And that level is holding. Okay, that level is holding, and that is for what really matters for me, what matters for most people who are using this analysis, that the support area holds. Yeah, very, very important. And of course, it only touched it, okay, but several times. So we have 4 touch points here at the 38.2 retracement. There are still ways how this could break down. It's very fragile as long as we have only 3 waves up. Yeah, we haven't even broken above the recent swing highs, only this one from end of January, which is a start. Okay, so it's promising upside momentum, does look promising, but we need to see a little bit more. You have some parameters to watch. And you could say minimally, I mean, based on that, we want to see 5 waves that reach minimally $26.42, because what I want normally is that it reaches minimally the 161.8 extension. Hold on. Yeah. So roughly like that. Yeah. Let's say $26.50 to $27 would be ideal for that 5th wave. And the 3rd wave should get to the 138% extension at the very least. Yeah. So these are the parameters that we're tracking. We can already, I mean, if we add the 100% extension to the chart, then this is often a level that is being tested by the 4th wave when it pulls back. So 24.82, it's not perfect, but you have some levels to watch here. That's the update about Link. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.